If you have ever wondered how does Doordash work and what you should know before ordering, in this video, I'll break down Doordash for you step by step so you know exactly what to expect. Doordash is an on-demand delivery platform that connects customers, local restaurants, and delivery drivers, known as Dashers, through one easy-to-use app. Here's how it all comes together. After downloading the Doordash app and setting your location, you'll get access to a wide list of local restaurants, from national chains to nearby favorites. You can browse menus, check prices, see ratings, and even find exclusive offers or discounts. When you find what you want, you customize your order, add any special instructions, and proceed to checkout. Once you place your order and pay, usually with a stored card or other in-app options, Doordash instantly notifies the restaurant to start preparing your meal. While your order is being cooked, Doordash uses its platform to match your order with an available Dasher nearby. As soon as your food's ready, the Dasher picks it up and delivers it straight to your door. You can track every step in real time through the app, seeing when the restaurant's preparing your order, when your Dasher is on the way, and exactly where they are on the map. Doordash also makes things easier for restaurants by handling online ordering and providing extra exposure to new customers. Restaurants pay a service commission for these features, which can vary based on the partnership level they choose with Doordash. Dashers, on the other hand, earn a base pay per delivery with opportunities for bonuses, promotions, and 100% of the tips you choose to give within the app. For customers, there's a delivery fee that usually depends on the distance and order value. You can also subscribe to DashPass, a membership program that gets you free delivery on qualifying orders and reduced service fees. All payments, from restaurant settlements to Dasher earnings, are handled digitally, so the process is seamless for everyone involved. To keep everything running, Doordash invests in its tech platform, customer support, and partnerships with restaurants and Dashers. Whether you order late-night snacks or groceries, the goal is to make delivery fast, trackable, and convenient while giving restaurants more reach and Dashers flexible income. In short, Doordash gives you the flexibility to order food delivered by local drivers from hundreds of area restaurants, right from your phone, all easily managed and tracked for a smooth, reliable experience. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.